Hi friends, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to get your MacBook wallpaper looking like this. And I'm also going to be showing you all how I get my custom icons right here as well. So the first thing I want to do is look up how to get the MacBook wallpaper. So for wallpapers, of course, I always like to use Canva. The dimensions for the MacBook wallpaper is going to be 3024 by 1964 pixels. And if you're creating a new one, which you probably will be, you're just going to do create a new design and then custom size and then type it in right here. Since I already have one, I'm going to go ahead and open that up. I'm going to go ahead and add a page. So this is my current one that I'm working on, and then I'm going to go to Elements, Grid, and then where it says Grids, I'm going to press See All. So you're going to choose whichever one you would like for your wallpaper. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab pictures from Pinterest that I like. So once I find a picture that I like, I'm going to go ahead and press download. Okay, so I have the photos that I want downloaded, so I'm just gonna probably drag and drop them to the desktop just so that they will be easier to grab. So I'm just dragging and dropping them. And I guess I need a little more color. Okay, so I have my colorful one. I like the way that looks. So I'm gonna press download, share, download. Make sure you click your current page, not the one you did last time, and make sure the file type is correct. And it's gonna download for you. And it's right here. So I'm putting it to the desktop, and then I'll right click the background I just made, set desktop picture. So I'm just dragging the stuff that I don't want on the desktop. And this is my wallpaper for August, so I need to save it onto MacBook Wallpapers. And boom, it's done. I like the way that looks. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the custom icon folders for your desktop. It's just easier if I do part of it on the iPad. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do. So I'm going to search for the icon itself. I'm just going to type in folder icon and then download the image. So now it's going to be in my photos. All right, so boom, there's the picture of the folder. So now what I'm gonna do from my iPad is copy and paste it from the iPad to the laptop. So I'm gonna press and hold on the folder because I don't want the background, and I'm gonna press share, and then I'm airdropping it to the laptop. Here it is. I'm gonna drag and drop it right here. Now I want to add a new folder, and I'll just call this folder to-do list, just for the sake of this video. I'm gonna put it down here with the other folders. I'm going to press get info, and then I'm going to copy and paste it onto this folder right here. So right click it, copy, and then for right here, you want to make sure that it's clicked on, and then Command V. And then it's going to change it. It's going to change the color of the folder. Boom, there it is. So that is how you create custom folders. Like I said, I like to do it from the iPad and then put it onto the laptop itself because the background remover is just easier to do it that way. But if you have an iPad or even a phone, you can do it from your phone. You can take the picture from your phone and download it to your phone, to where all you have to do is when you go to your photos is press and hold on the photo and share it with AirDrop and then paste it to where you want it to go. So that's the way I found is easiest for me. And you're gonna do that same method even for this YouTube icon. It's the same way. So I hope that helped. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna be moving towards the Google Calendar aspect of the video. So I do still love to digital plan as far as the customization. So I have it on all of my devices, the laptop, the iPad, as well as the phone. You guys know that in Google Docs it saves across all devices. So that's kind of why I like using it. This just helps me stay organized and stay productive. And it's really easy and quick to use. So right here, these are all calendars that I've created. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a calendar of your own. So you're going to want to press the plus button onto other calendars, create new calendar, and I'll name this calendar YouTube. Now I'm going to go back. The calendar I just created is right there. Now I'm going to press these three dots, and then I'm going to press the plus button to customize the color. And here is where you can get any color that you want it to be. So that's how you add a calendar, and that's how I got all these. Now I'm going to go ahead and start planning my day. And for all these things that I'm going to be doing, they're mostly going to be events. And how you change like what calendar it is, you're going to press this right here. And you can add a location, you can put notes in here, you can make it to where it repeats every Monday through Friday. There's lots of different things that you can do right on this little section right here. You can even share this with someone else, so it's good for collaborative work. You can even add a notification, so there's plenty of things you can add on here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a description. You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose. And how I put up the emoji keyboard is Control Command Space. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. And VE stands for video editor.
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Did not, can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile. Stripper booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, met her at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she went to CC trip. Perfect. I took a seat on the ice cold on. She handed me an ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a dentist really bad. She's in school paying for tuition, doing porn in the fab. At least you're working, but girl, I can't feel my face. But I was smoking anyway. She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste a little taste of Novocaine, baby?
All right, so I created my day for tomorrow, and it looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. So this is how I plan with Google Calendar.